Today we're installing the ProClip mount in my Subaru BRZ. Now time to unbox our package. We partnered with ProClip USA and they have provided us with one of the best phone mounts you can get on the market. They have provided us with the instruction, we have alcohol pads, cleaning wipe, and we have our phone mount. This particular mount is for Scion FR-S 2012 to 2016, Subaru BRZ 2012 to 2018, Toyota GT86 2012 to 2018. They have provided us with a phone holder. This is looks like it is a Scotch mount that you can attach to our ProClip mount. They have provided us with a power adapter as well and cable management clips, and we have over here hardware for us to mount our actual phone holder to our phone mount. Fun facts about this mounts by ProClip. So they are modular phone mounts, which means you can upgrade to any other phone holder of your choice. They have provided us with their Magic mount, one of their newest products. Let's go ahead and install our phone mount. Okay. Well, I'm sitting right now on the passenger side. For the left-hand drive vehicles, we'll be installing it on this end, so make sure you slot it down here. So down here, then we're gonna latch it up here. Go ahead and take out the double-sided tape cover, wipe the surface area, contact patch. ProClip again provided a cleaning wipe and an alcohol pad. Let's utilize that. Moment of truth. Again, we'll mount it from the bottom. And it will just clip in there. ProClip indeed. Doing a little massage up here. That looks really good. Wow. A red and black theme inside the car is going well with the ProClip logo. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, I was so concerned that I'll be blocking my controls, but no. I love pushing this next and previous buttons aside from our driver's sides, which still have the controls, but I'm also willing to let that go in case it blocks it. But no, it's not blocking anything, so you can still use your audio controls here. Awesome. We're almost done, so we'll go ahead and put our magnetic phone mount together. Okay, like that, and this should just snap in like that. Whoop! Forgot that thing. Okay, can't forget about that. Okay, screw that in. Okay. We're done, guys. Our phone mount looks so good. Like, now we just have to find a way where to plug in our power supply. Just wonder how long this is. Ooh. Oh, this is long. Nice. Yeah, I like that. I think I'll probably power it up through my center console for now. Just plug it in. Loving this central console cover by TRD. It's a perfect one. Just goes right in there. We can charge our phone. I think we can make this longer. Okay, there you go. Is there more? Is there more? It's a long wire actually. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that looks nice. put that cable management thing later around here. Will be good. And what's missing? Our phone. Woo, that looks good. Wow. Now I love that mount. Look at that. ProClip phone mount. So I've been fiddling with this a little bit, trying to do a cleaner install. Just make a little slack over here. Then you can actually tuck the wires over here. There we go, looking good with the mount. That ends our ProClip mount install video. If you like this video, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again, ProClip, for sponsoring this video. You can also get your phone mount to their website or from their website. Use code NOELDRIVEN to get 10% off. Thanks again. See you next time. Hey ProClip, got a GR over here. Would you like an install video for this too?